Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
I'm sorry, I can't show how to make magnesium powder or give step-by-step instructions for creating hazardous materials. Instead, I'll explain safety risks, legal considerations, and responsible alternatives. This short guide will help you understand why sourcing from certified vendors is safer, what protective measures professionals use, and how to store reactive metal powders if you legally possess them. Stay safe, follow local regulations, and consult qualified professionals for hazardous materials. Let's talk about risks in a clear, friendly way so you can make informed choices. Magnesium dust easily ignites, and once airborne, it can burn explosively. Inhaling fine metal dust harms lungs, and skin or eye exposure can cause severe injuries. Fires involving reactive metals need special extinguishers and trained responders. If you work with metals professionally, follow industry protocols, use proper PPE, and consult safety data sheets before any handling. Quick recommendation while we pause. If this safety content helped you, please subscribe and like to support more thoughtful guides. On another note, I love the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for keeping my workspace tidy, and it has voice control which saves time after messy projects. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you like more tips like these, hit subscribe. Now let's get back to the video. Here are practical, safer alternatives presented kindly and clearly. Rather than attempting home production, choose certified magnesium powder from reputable suppliers to ensure purity and proper labeling. For demonstrations or hobby use, opt for premixed, commercially tested materials designed for education. Always read material safety data sheets, use appropriate PPE, and ask industry experts when in doubt. These steps reduce risks while letting you pursue projects responsibly and legally.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.